Yeah, get in there, lad. Get in there, Seaside. Say, Jack. Natty boo. Get in there, Seaside. Tell him. He's waiting. Oh, fucking hell, there's no enthusiasm in that one, is there? Done a big shop today again. Get in there, look at that, Seaside. You'd be proud of that fridge, boy. 120 quid's worth. Whoa. Plenty of grub for me, my lad. Yeah. Yeah, get in there. Oh, there's a bit of my spread here from earlier, look. You fucking love that. Look at that, look. I had a right slab on there, boss. Plain ones, olives crisp. Had a garlic sausage and Leah Dammer French stick roll with nut and fruit salad, and had some gherkins on there and bit of ham, but it's all gone now, lad, in my fucking belly. Just eat that bit now, I think. Ooh. Mmm. Lovely. It's my kitchen YouTubers. New cooker. New hot pot, double fridge freezer. Tefal active fry. They're good. These are shit hot. You want to get one of these, Seaside? Actually, I think I got them around here. Yeah. Need to cut the grass again, don't I? That's not too bad. It's my little seating area. It's a fucking barbecue that coming on strong. Oh. Here's my bitch. My other half. Yeah. Blow us a kiss, baby, yeah? It was Vinny's birthday the other day, so we got him a card. Pugs and kisses. Little Sammy wrote in here that. To her best buddy. Fat on your birthday. Love you. Love your friends Sam and Biff. Bit of Guinness. Oh, Vinny, my lad. Say hello, Vinny. Oh, Thumper, his tail's going. Fucking gay standards on here, that. Widescreen. There's the old love bus outside, that. It's the old Picasso of love. Ooh, get in there, lad, get in there. Big sausage for you, my girl. Oh ho ho ho!